Bitcoin went to 126K. Where's my short squeeze? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Davinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, wondering where is my Bitcoin short squeeze? There should have been a short squeeze on Bitcoin, and it didn't occur. I don't know why it did not occur, and I'm wondering where is my short squeeze? Because we should have had like Bitcoin like just blast off, just like we did last time when it hit 124. So what happened? We'll talk about that and more in today's episode. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's get into the charts first and talk about where Bitcoin is and what it's going to do next. As you can see, Bitcoin has, rolled over. So, okay, it's like a little bit toppy, is rolling a bit over, and we're probably going to have to chop a little bit to get to the 200 period moving average. 200 period moving average on the 4 hour. This is not good. All right, we might be failing here and come back all the way back down to 116, or even worse, we can head all the way back to the entry to this gap. Now, I have a trade open. It's doing very well. So this was up to $42,000, but it might retrace on us, and I think, but I'm gonna hold it. Because it was a nice entry, and I don't need to let it go. So I'm just gonna see what happens, right, and hold that trade. And we can see here that Bitcoin could create what is a cup and handle, but I'm a little concerned about that, because why would it do that when, this is this? Well, you know what? This is a breakout level. So we might come back to this level right here at $118,000. That would be interesting if we came back to the 118,000. Because, that would, if we can just bounce off of that, actually, that would indicate that we're blasting higher. So if we bounce off of the 118, why? Because you can see that was the point of control when we first came up here, and then I broke down from that. So, and then we used it as a resistance level. So with that said, we can see that we can probably bounce off of that 118 and then go a lot higher. And that's probably where you should take your bets to add to your bets if you're interested, or actually start buying here. Right? So let's do that. Actually, let's add a long position right here, and let's reduce the possibility just below those wicks here, and then do a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which stays inside of our range. Yes, damn, perfect. And then you can just either take profits or, basically let the rest ride, because I think this is October. October will not disappoint. I don't think it will disappoint at all. So make sure that you have some Bitcoin for October. And if you want to, you can buy it with Satoshis. It's on sale. Now you get 821 sats instead of 800, which was the low at one point when we were super high over 125. So get some T-sats today at satoshi15.com. Links are also in the description below. And also, if you're interested in trading, right, you can head over to x.dj15.com, where you have access to like free money, right? And look at that. It's like October 8th. You got only a few days to get that 100K bonus from Blowfin. So might as well take it. Take advantage right now. Okay, so going over Ethereum. Oh, look at this. The Ethereum, it has like not respected this upward trend line. But that's okay. It's allowed to do that because it already did that here. And we can see that maybe we can bounce off of the $4,375 mark. That's great. Once we do, I think Ethereum is going to break out heavily in October as well. So again, you can place your bets here. It's a little bit I'm a little bit shaky about that one. That we'll get down there. Why is that? Why do I think we're a little bit shaky about us getting there? Because there's no point. If we break down even further, this could, if you look left, we could end up coming all the way back down to 441. So yeah, I'm not concerned. I'm not happy with this. Yes, it's a key level, but I don't know. If we come here, we could end up coming all the way down. So maybe we go to the halfway point and entry right there. And there are these wicks here. And let's see here. This will not stop us out. So if we come all the way back down, that's right. That's nice and clean. And so we take a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Boom. Right back up to still in the range. So perfect. That's a nice entry. Let me just take a look what the Fibonacci's say about that levels that we've selected. It's not the 61.8, but it's a 50% level. So yeah, not so bad. Not so bad at all. So let's go for it. Right? The 61.8, you could always add start small, either up here at 38.2, which is close to the what's it called? The bouncing level that I'm considering it failing off of. Right? But if we fail, if we bounce off of that, you can end up buying some and then take it at higher. But if we fail, right, you want to just keep adding until the 61.8. Okay, looking at Solana, cup and handle formation, still building. Looks like we have broken. This is rising. Is it rising? Wasn't it over here that was rising? Oh, no, it was right here. It was Solana. That's right. Interesting. Okay. Oh, this is the daily. That's right. Look at that. Okay. So 4 hours. Yeah. So this was bearish and I thought we were going to break, but with Bitcoin going higher too, but nope. Looks like the bearish indication has occurred. So that means we'll probably break all the way back down to the $200 level. So be prepared for that. Maybe just get some Solana down here. So yeah, exactly. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get some Solana because we got out of our trade early on that one. So let's do that right here and get a 2-to-1 in the range very easily. Let's see if we come into our entry point sometime soon. Okay, let's see right here. Oops. The magnet. Let me just take the magnet off right underneath that. So if we come down, I'm getting some Solana. Let me just make this bigger so you guys can see that. We're getting some Solana at the 197 level and then letting it ride that baby all the way up. Okay. Yes. So that's it for today. Make sure you join my school if you haven't done so already to learn about Bitcoin or buy some Satoshis. Thanks for watching. Peace.